Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to put item on sale in Shopify. So simply just you have to go to the orders draft and just click on create draft, and now here you have to select the product that you want to put on sale. So in my case I will add this product close. Now add here. So as you can see we have this price. No, now we want to put on sale. Just click on add discount, add here, and now add the price here and just click on OK. So now here in this way you can easily one by one or put product on sale, or you can easily select all the product and put them on sale. After that install the payment method, and now after this just click on save button.